Hi, Alex and Julia. This is Grandma. Just taking a picture of my front porch. It's kind of a cloudy day, but I'm going to sneak up on my kittens and try to get a little video of my 6 kittens for you. So I'm going to be real quiet. There's one little guy. Here they all come. Here they come. There's one. Oh, here they all are. All 6 of them. They were playing, but now they just want me. Aren't they? Oh, hello, baby. Say hello, Alex. Hello, Julie. Yeah. Can you hear them purring? They think I'm their mother. Yeah, look at these little guys. Yeah, kitty, 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 kitty. Say hello. Say hello. Uh-oh, one popped out of the box. One popped out of the box. Kitty, kitty. Come out of the box. Uh-oh, isn't he cute? Look, look. Got a yellow one. And there's a white one, and 2 gray ones, and another white one, and there's another gray one over there. 6 kittens. They sure are a lot of fun. They'd like for you to come and visit them. Well, guess what? I gotta go, but I'll see you in just a couple of weeks. I love you. Bye.